Yo, New Jersey. Wagwan. Listen. Saturday, June 14th. Come over. Yeah. Come closer. Yeah. Baby, I feel like I need you. Boardwalk Hall, New Jersey. This Saturday. Ladies, come over. You know why you have to come? I tell you why.
Via subscribers, Vybz Cartel, the world boss, the one Dan, the dancehall king, the arena sheller, the stadium seller is at it again. And this time Vybz Cartel was outside representing for his concert in New Jersey. And people, I'm not telling a lie, the concert and I go normal, it go up a notch, it go loud, about the cloud, our place, our part, it go bad, it go wicked, it go mad, it go sick in a real life, different states, same historical effect. And people right now, I have a clip of Little Addy and him two brother them, Little Vybz and Little Teacher and TikTok live. And people, I'm not telling a lie, the live and I spoil it up a notch. And I'm not going to talk too long. I go forward in that clip and see what I go on.
Little Addy and Little Teacher. Ladies, we're going to do audition in every city. So, fuck your beat, we're going to do audition in every city. So make sure when we're reaching at the city, them and we say audition, ladies active. Is it? Which one we are going to say? Tell them which one we are going to. New Jersey, Thursday. Atlantic City. Is it? Atlantic City. Yeah. So New Jersey, Thursday. Ladies. Shut the fuck up. Wait. No, wait. No, question. Wait.
People who hear that Teacher Spit reloaded. I one thing me know, Vybz Cartel no normal. It look like him a go make him son them do Teacher Spit now. Don't talk truth no. And me not even go talk too long. I go forward another clip here and see what them are going with.
Ask them a question before I ask them out of me and Shahim. Which one are we are the most handsome? And them I say little daddy. You know what? Smile, look at that. Relax now, girl. You know what three are we there? Alright, girl, them on the life right now. Oh, that three are we? Which one are the most handsome? Yeah. Brother, y'all cheat. Yo, fuck that. Yo, wait, man. You want to jump through the screen, brother? Yo, what's your people? The young one, the second born. Yo, the man, I mean, I know. Second born. The man, I make up things, people. Yo, what's your gun? Teachers Pet Reboot, New Jersey. The one in the white marina, the one in the middle. So, I mean, we know. I mean, nah, me. Fuck all that, nah.
So people, that was a clip of Vybz Cartel, three sons, Little Vybz, Little Addy and Little Teacher and TikTok live. And me not tell a lie, people, that live then spoil it up a notch. Meet the Palmers. I Palmer Legacy that, you hear that? And right now I have a clip of Popcaan, and Popcaan was outside in Canada living his best life. And people, I'm not even going to talk too long, you know, I go forward in that clip and see what Popcaan, the unruly boss, are going with.
Garden to the right here. Look dog, I'm really done in the right here. One drama fry, hear that? You know, I don't care. I think outside is forever.
Popcaan, legendary.
Lifestyle moment.
Legendary.
Yeah.
So people, that was a clip of Popcaan, the unruly boss outside in Canada living his best life. And I'm not saying a lie, there is never a dull moment with Popcaan. Everywhere him turn up, it burn up. Everywhere him pull up, get shell down. It's a legendary moment. That clip in a normal, it bad, it wicked, it mad, it sick, it in a real life. Talk truth no people. Big up yourself, Popcaan. Yeah, do it from them time till now for the culture. And people right now, I have a clip of Aisha. And Aisha outside that clear the year and I get a lot of her chest to the people. And me not even gonna talk too long. I can forward in a clip and see what Aisha are going with.
Uno a suck wood from international disgrace. I'ma start suck wood when it's a national dish. I wanna call me suckable. I just start suck bolo. Uno suck bolo. Me bigger than uno and suck bolo before me, you know. Me bigger than uno and suck bolo before me. Sebet say you suck bolo before me. You suck bolo before me.
So people, that was a clip of Aisha clearing the air and getting a lot off her chest. And people, me not gonna lie, there was never a dull moment during this clip. Talk truth, no man, Aisha, you're not normal, you're mad, you're wicked, you're bad, you're sick in a real life. Who you attack Aisha? People, if you don't know who Aisha attack, you spam up the comment section and make me know what I go on. And right now, I have a clip of Harry Toddler and Iwayne linking up in person. And me not telling a lie, it's a good look, it's a big look, it's a great look to see Harry Toddler and Iwayne link up in person. Talk truth no people. And me not even going to talk too long, you know. I can forward another clip here and see what Fire Wayne and the ruler boss are going with. There you have it, viewers and subscribers. That was a clip of Iwayne and Harry Toddler linking up in person. And I'm not telling a lie, people that link up in a normal. It up a notch, it loud, but it loud at one place at one part. It bad, it wicked, it mad, it sick in a real life. Big up yourself, Firewayne. You do it from them time till now for the culture. Big up yourself, the ruler boss, Harry Toddler. You represent for the culture from them time till now. Down, in a real life. And people, I'm not even going to talk too long, you know. I want you now, my viewers and my subscribers, and all of the Vybz Cartel Gaza Nation fans, spam up in the comment section and let me know what you all think about Vybz Cartel outside representing for his concert in Atlantic City, New Jersey. It bad, it wicked, it mad, it sick, it hot, it cool. We don't all expect that concert to hit or it go miss. Yeah, man. I want to see all of the Vybz Cartel Gaza Nation fans them and all of the dancehall fans them spam up the comment section and make me know how I go on. You know the rules, you know the laws. Hit that subscribe button if you're new here. Feel free to comment, like up the video, share up the video. You know it's your boy Suka, and I'm out.